one of my other clients. In 1995, they bought their single family house, okay, just to live in. They decided not to rent, for $300,000. 1995 interest rates for them at the time were 7.8%. Now, over the last 28 years, they basically just paid down the mortgage, were making their money, paying the 7.8% in interest. The house today is worth $1.1 million. That means for the last 28 years or something like that, they were making about $28,000 a year on their house. Plus, they paid off the $300,000. So now when they go to sell the house, they're basically getting $1.1 million. So they bought the house for $300,000. At that interest rate, let's say they paid down, let's say in interest they paid another $200,000. But now, for that $500,000 total, their house is worth $1.1 million.